Classic Motors workshop, and today we are preparing this early MGB pull handle vehicle to go and be painted. The first thing that's happening is we are loading it onto this trailer and sending it off for sandblasting. From there, it will then go to the paint shop where it will be repaired. All the sections that need repairing will be done with lead, and then preparation for paint.
Hi, following on from the last clip where you saw the MGB being loaded and taken down to the paint shop, we're here with another one of our projects, an early 1970s Lotus Elan Plus 2. This particular car, we have about 90% stripped it, ready to be separated from the chassis to be taken down to the paint shop. So what will happen from here is the chassis will go down to the chassis will stay here, the body will go down to the paint shop. While the chassis is here, we will strip it down bare. We will recondition it back to like new. When the body shell is finished and painted and comes back to us, we will be ready then to mate the two back together. And following that on, I will show you here, we have a 1956 MGA 1500, who's affectionately known as Peanut. Now, Peanut went through the same process. We separated chassis and body. Body went down to the paint shop, had some surgery, and obviously a very good paint job. At the same time, we then restored the chassis and a lot of the mechanicals. As you can see here, we have now started mating. We have mated the body back to the chassis and are now in the process of reassembling the car as a sympathetic restoration.